Imagine a massive solar storm so powerful it could black out entire continents, disrupt global communications, and send satellites crashing out of orbit. Sounds like science fiction? Well, NASA has just unveiled new data that makes this scenario more real and more urgent than you might think. Picture this: Earth's technology at the mercy of an invisible storm raging millions of miles away. This isn't a distant threat, it's happening right now, with forces from the sun reaching deep into our modern lives. Just last year, NASA launched a groundbreaking space weather mission aimed at understanding these solar tempests better than ever before. But here's the thing: what scientists have uncovered challenges everything we thought we knew about how space weather influences Earth. For decades, experts believed that solar storms, while potent, mainly disrupted satellite communications and occasionally caused the northern lights to dance brighter than usual. The general assumption was that severe effects on Earth's surface were rare and somewhat manageable. After all, the last major event of this kind, the Carrington event in 1859, happened well before our modern technological era. However, with over 7 billion people now reliant on interconnected systems, power grids, GPS, internet, the stakes are unimaginably higher. It's estimated that a similar event today could cause economic damages surpassing $2 trillion worldwide and leave millions without electricity for months. But here's something surprising. The mission's data reveals that the chain reaction from solar storms to Earth's magnetic field is far more complex, intense, and rapid than models predicted. Through a constellation of satellites and sophisticated instruments, NASA's space weather mission observed an unprecedented interaction between high-energy solar particles and Earth's magnetosphere. For example, during a storm in March 2023, satellite sensors detected magnetic fluctuations that were twice as powerful and spread 3 times faster than any previous event recorded in modern history. This wasn't just a spike, it was a revelation showing how vulnerable our planet's shields really are. Now, why does this matter to you? Because these solar storm-induced magnetic waves can penetrate deeper into Earth's atmosphere and trigger massive currents in electrical grids. This can instantly overload transformers, causing widespread blackouts, frying critical infrastructure, and even crippling emergency services. NASA's findings also indicated that certain regions previously considered low risk, such as parts of the southern United States and Europe, might face far greater exposure than expected. This means hundreds of millions more people could be affected in future events. This insight opens a new chapter in space weather forecasting. With the mission's refined data, scientists now have the tools to predict solar storm arrivals with much greater accuracy and lead time. This breakthrough could transform how governments and industries prepare, allowing preemptive shutdowns, rerouting of power, and safeguarding of satellites before disruptions occur. In other words, we are on the brink of turning a once unpredictable cosmic threat into a manageable risk. Imagine a future where your phone never drops a call because a solar storm is on its way, but automatic systems have adjusted to protect satellites overhead. Picture power plants adjusting output in real time to withstand geomagnetic surges. NASA's mission is not just about understanding space, it's a race to protect everything that depends on Earth's delicate electromagnetic balance. On a more emotional level, this discovery reminds us how intertwined we are with cosmic forces beyond our control, forces that demand respect and vigilance. But if we don't act on this knowledge, the consequences could be devastating. Consider that 60% of the world's population lives in urban areas wired into vast technological networks. A poorly predicted solar storm could strand millions without communication in emergencies, or worse, cause medical devices to fail. The very infrastructure that supports life as we know it is exposed like never before. Yet the hope NASA's mission offers is that preparedness and innovation can minimize this vulnerability. So what should you take away from this? Next time you check your GPS or swipe your credit card, remember that unseen solar winds are swirling out there, powerful, unpredictable, but now better understood thanks to NASA's latest mission. This discovery is a call not just for scientists, but for all of us to stay curious, informed, and prepared for the cosmic realities shaping our future. Stay fascinated by the invisible forces that impact your daily life, and share this knowledge to help build awareness around space weather risks. After all, understanding the universe starts with understanding how it affects us here on Earth. For more mind-bending science, stay tuned. Follow MindNext 127 for daily science that breaks your brain.